Alright, I'm back for that next video. This is my, again, my bulletproof unit, first one that was installed, wonderfully warranted and all of that stuff. But listen to that. We can have a conversation. I don't have to speak very loud. The fan is spinning as fast as I've ever seen it spin. And you can't hear this thing in the house. You don't even know it's on, and that's what I'm looking for. The RPM is very low. You hear it? It's beautiful. It's a thing of beauty. It's got a big fat green tech sticker. It's made by I guess that company there. It's one of them. There's the part number there. Made in Germany. You know, not Echo in Mexico like the other fan. But yeah, this is what my other unit used to sound like. It's a very compact looking motor. It's not long, and the fan blades got 5 blades, and they advertise those 5 blades in the actual, you know, manual as a feature of why they're able to keep this thing quiet. And again, it's made in Germany, not Echo in Mexico. Look at this. Echo in Mexico. So, alright, let's go turn the Banshee on. Show you what that's like.